Kening Philinvest Mimosa Plus!
Wow, nanong diwata Kenny at kapawas tamo. Make bike, make
skate,
Mig run, mig sprint, mig
family
jog,
time.
everything.
Family time.
Puro yung akit.
Ay na!
big sana na!
Chuta mo ni Kening Philinvest Mimosa Plus. Clark, Freeport Zone. Familiar kayo Kenny nung Baling Mimosa? Kasi Mimosa is a very popular place. Dati, sa Pakyang Vilay ni. Pero ngayon ala na. Ating open spaces Kenny that you can enjoy for free. That's right.
Did you say free?
Free.
Did you say
F-R-E.
pwede lungog ka na lang bayad?
Free. Walang bayad. Eh, yung kailangan mamayad ticket alang nano. Basta lulog kayo mo, magpark kayo masalese. In condition da mo kayo na eh. Kaya kayo mangalat.
Number 1. Bring your own trash.
Wow.
Pauli.
Sa Instagram, Philinvest Mimosa.
Tagyo lang.
Kening Philinvest Mimosa, magyari kayong mag-date ka rin, magyari kayong mag-picnic with family, alakos na yun yung magpasko, magyari kayong mag-bonding, ano pa.
Eh, wala kalingwan. Kaya rin yung magtirigat ang photos na i-upload yung lahat itagya at Philinvest Mimosa Plus.
Very Instagrammable yung lugar. Hindi kasi dakal lang niyaliwaliwang features. Hindi lang itang Christmas tree at ilang retang. Hindi.
Hindi.
Happy Christmas ball.
Babanda ka rin lang sa Alkay.
Amsterdam.
Switzerland.
Alam mo, Amsterdam.
The Fountainers.
Hintayin na kayo.
Ali pa.
Amsterdam Street.
By Google Maps.
Yung bali mo, Amsterdam.
Hamster. Google Earth.
Hamster, no?
Masante Kenny, lalo na nung crowded na Ken CDC. Naman to kayong alternative lugar.
Uy!
Ali kasi minsan na sa Pagnala, kota magdala ang pamangan. Kasi free naman
Ali,
kayo.
kasi kasiping niya eh.
Masaya ako kung magdalang pang samgipsal.
Kapag ako magkalat, tapin mo ito. Okay na.
Yes.
Ay, mangalat.
Always, Clayco.
And pwede ka mag-longboard Kenny na. Ampong pwede ka
Magbike.
Mag-bike, mag-jog.
Malyari ka mag-bike, Kenny. Malyari ka mag-jog. Dakala physical activities na malyari yung gawan.
Malala ko rin pala mag-chess.
Ali, tai chi
Magdala
ka?
na kayo mong pieces.
chess. Wow, pwede mag-chess.
Pati ng board kambing.
Okay, so Aki Gaming Hotel, this is Quest Plus Conference Center, Clark. One of the premier hotel destinations, Kenny Clark.
PBA bubble.
Kenny the PBA bubble.
So, right now, open niya itang Karelaw Charlie's Bar. Mag-serve lang breakfast, mag-serve at ilang caveman's pit.
Kaya rin yung mag-bike, nag-exercise. Galmusal ko rin.
At ilang bike parking. Siyempre, Mimosa is also known for Mimosa Golf Course.
Eh, ba't Kening Philinvest Mimosa Plus, malyari kayong magdalang tent. Encourage na rin tao magdalang tent. Pwede kayong mag-setup, Ken. Bereng kids. Kenny mismo. Ali, Ken eh. Kita.
Also follow minimum safety protocol. So, kailangan pa rin mag-mask and kailangan mag-face shield and also practice social distancing.
Very pet-friendly naman yung lugar ini. So, if you have pets, goldfish.
For example, mix ko.
Ay, guys, ilan na mismo sinabi. We encourage you to take photos. So, nung mapag-Instagram kayo, imbitan da kayo ng Kenny. Tagyan mo, Philinvest Mimosa Plus.
So, this is a very accessible leisure place, Kening Clark. So, nung mandun kayong open space na you can spend time with the family safely kasi open yung itang space na. You can visit Philinvest Mimosa Plus. Kaya mong siping ng CDC Parade Grounds. Nung nga kayo familiar. Ating main entrance along MA Rojas. You can't miss it kasi nakaragulit ang LED screen na kita. Kening side na ning Quest Hotel atin mo rin. Siping na ning CDC Parade Grounds. And another entry near CDC Parade Grounds. Itang siping na ning Cafe Mesa. So, itatang mo sigurado balo ning Cafe Mesa.
Pagka nakamo, tin lang My Christmas Moment Video Making Contest. Ayan. Makiyabe na kayo. Kasi 5,000 pesos ang pong aduang buffet yung premium. Ayan o. Shoot yangan Kenny o. Instagrammable naman Kenny. Pwede kang gawa siguro short film. O kaya na namang trip yun eh. Ayan. My Christmas Moment, a short video contest. Lahat ng details, chula Kenning Facebook page daw.
Ay, Chay! Dakala salamat po. Philinvest Mimosa Plus for inviting us here. Mangyari ko pumunta Kenny, ala ko pong bayaran. You can go picnic with your family. Mangyari kayong mag-spend time, Kenny, para after
Mangyari kayong mag-jogging.
Christmas.
Malyari nang mabawas nga tiyang ko Kenny.
Wow. Kasi malyari kayong mag-fitness activities like jogging,
Biking,
running,
skating,
sprinting. Those are basically the same thing.
safe running with your kids,
Kasi open space siya.
open
And
space.
then, mas nanding lugar for Instagramming. Because if you know,
Yes.
nung bisa kayo rin mag-TikTok, Kenny, balo ko yung anak. You're TikTokerist. So, nung bisa kayo gawang videos yung Kenny, they even have a competition. So, check that out. Kaya Karelang Facebook page at facebook.com Philinvest Mimosa Plus Leisure City. Pantunan niyo.
Nung buriyo pa yung Rening Kagawan, may don't forget to like and subscribe. Karangay ng social media accounts at We The Local.
Okay, so dakala salamat. See you in the next video na
Bye,
sinabi ko.
Bye, Celine.
Bye.